Is your sound not working on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to muted settings, Bluetooth connections, or software issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the sound not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode, Bluetooth, and Silent mode. Now, follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change volume balance. Open up the settings once again, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down and find the mono audio. Make sure to enable mono audio and adjust the audio volume level balance between the left and right channels. Solution 2. Increase Siri volume. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down, tap Siri. Now tap Siri responses. Scroll down again, tap the volume up button, larger speaker icon on the right, or drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Solution 3. Change volume settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Sounds and Haptics option. Tap the volume up button, larger speaker icon on the right, or drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. You can also turn the digital crown to adjust the slider, or you can use the Control Center as well. To do that, press the side button to open Control Center. Scroll down, tap the speaker icon, drag the slider that appears to adjust the volume. There is one more to increase the volume, and that is, while you are on a call, rotate the digital crown to adjust the volume of the caller's voice. So folks, this is the way to solve the sound not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.